Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Buffalo Picker? Have you ever heard of TP, the Tesla Picker from Kentucky? Have you ever heard of the Fundamentals of the Side Hustle with Big D and Regina Michelle? Have you ever heard of Ella, Save Head First? Have you ever heard of the Lone Star Picker? Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sale? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. What the hell? Well, this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, this is the Freaky Five Friday. Yeah, I'm at this place getting loaded. I've never seen this before. This dude loading logs into my container. And you know, we Americans come up with some innovative ways to load. I'm gonna show y'all how this guy loading. But anyway, yeah, let's get to it, y'all. The number 5 item was a pair of Unix Power Cushion tennis shoes. Yeah, they $26, $9 shipping and handling. Next up, the number 4 was a Star Wars Empire Strikes Back NES game. Let me turn y'all around the other way. That sold for $28. $4 shipping and handling. Next up, number 3 was some books. Madam Trilogy, whatever this is. It's a set, a book set. It sold for $33.40, and it was $3 and some medium mail. Number two was that Fisher Price Imagine Next Power Ranger. That big Power Ranger I had, the monster box. Yeah, I'm not gonna sell those no more. I sold it for $35. I charged them $12 shipping and handling, but it ended up costing me $30 to ship. So I'm not selling those no more. Okay? I sold that for $35, $12 shipping and handling. The last item, the number 1 item this week was The Sopranos season 1, 2, 3, and 4. The VHS box set. Yeah, that was the last item sold. That was the number 1 item. $45.40. Like I said before in the other video, I had on there for $55. A guy sent me an offer for $45 and I took it. So that's medium mail. It went out, I think it went out for $8 medium mail. Anyway, y'all, we finna watch this. Watch this guy load this truck with these logs. And I'm gonna let y'all see this. And I'm gonna get back to you all when he finished. This is a big innovative way of loading. I've never seen this before. He finna load all these logs up. I don't know how he gonna push them on the truck though. I don't know how he gonna do that. But he gonna do it. People think of ways to make money, big time. This dude right here, he already put 1 load in there. I don't know how he did it. But we finna see. So hold on a minute, y'all. Hold on 1 minute. Sorry, y'all. Hey. He pushing it in with this ramp. See him? That's how he puts it in that truck. I was wondering what that was for. But anyway, y'all be safe. Wear your mask. I don't care what nobody say, wear that mask. Watch out for you and your family. You know what I'm saying? And all I got to say is, yeah, we pickin' the hood too. Yeah, peace.